Hello. Your license, insurance, and your registration? While you're looking that up, do you have any idea why I'm stopping you?
Any ID?
Any idea why I'm stopping you?
He told me I went the wrong way.
Yeah, when you pulled out on
Kennedy.
Kennedy.
I didn't realize that.
I don't.
Yeah, when you pulled out on Howard and went to Kennedy, you pulled out and went southbound, head on into traffic.
I had no clue. I'm sorry. I never
Well, I apologize. I realized that after she made the turn, she'd never been on this street.
Yeah, when she pulled out, I saw headlights, and I'm not supposed to see headlights on a one-way.
We apologize. Like, we really apologize.
Okay, well, I just got to make sure.
You know Gustavo?
Gustavo?
Yeah.
That's a first name, and there's many Gustavos.
That's his last name.
Oh, I don't know Gustavo. Does he work for Tampa Police?
District 3.
District 3, that's Ybor City area.
Yeah. That's actually one of my supervisors that worked with them before.
Oh, like, well, before he was
No,
police?
he stole.
Stop.
He stole my friend, like, stole all the contracts.
Oh, okay.
Open contract.
Nice.
But yeah, there was an accident. I told her that right away.
Oh, there it goes. All right, thank you. All right, where are you guys coming from?
We went to the gas station. I got like a
Just the
cigarette.
gas station.
And then we were watching
Okay,
the
did
flights.
you have anything to drink tonight before driving?
I didn't.
You did not? Okay, do you mind if I check your eyes, make sure you're okay to drive?
I will let you know that I do have astigmatism.
Oh, okay. I'm not worried about astigmatism. Yeah, that's not an issue. All right, go ahead and step on up for 1 second, please. All right, if you can stand right there in front of my car and give me a second, I'm gonna shut these lights off so they don't flash in my face, okay? Or our face. Just stand right here. Give me a second, okay? Yeah, if you can put them on top of your head, that'd be fine. All right, do you have any medical problems like diabetes or high blood pressure?
No.
Any mental illnesses?
No.
Any epilepsy, stroke, seizure problems?
No.
Currently?
I just have, like, really bad eyes.
Okay, what's wrong with your eyes?
I just have really bad sight, so it's
Okay, well, this is not a vision test, so
That's fine.
I'm not
I
really
know
worried
that.
about that. Okay.
I was
All
a
right.
nurse, so I understand.
Okay, as far as injuries or illnesses, are you currently sick or injured?
I'm okay.
Okay, just want to make sure. All right, if you could stand right there trying to face me this direction. All right, have you had any medications tonight?
Nope.
Any drug use tonight?
Nope.
And any alcohol use tonight? Okay, just questions I ask everybody. Okay. All right, can you tell me what color that light is?
Red.
All right, what I need you to do is to focus on that red light and follow with your eyes only, okay? So don't move your head or your body, just your eyes, okay?
Can I get a deputy to let me check what sector is Howard and Cypress 10-4? Yeah, preferably a few.
I'm shaking right now because I'm scared.
I just need you to keep your eye on the light. So I have to make sure that you have the ability of following a stimulus. Just like when you're driving, you have to keep your eyes on the lights.
Yeah.
Okay, remember, focus on the red light. Just like when you're driving, you have to be able to follow the lights, the cars, the lines on the road, speed limit signs, things like that. Okay?
I understand.
All right, just make sure to keep your eye on the light for me, okay? You're sure you have absolutely nothing to drink tonight?
Yes, and I'm just shaking because
Wow,
I'm scared.
okay.
I've never been pulled over before.
All right, would you do some additional exercises so I can be sure you're okay to drive? Because I'm going to be honest, I don't necessarily believe you, okay?
It's fine.
Yeah, since you are wearing high heels, it'd probably be best if you take them off, but it's up to you. You can leave them on. I don't care. Okay.
I can do them in heels. It doesn't matter, but I just don't want you to
677,
think that
signal 54, please, not 1018.
of the fact that yeah. I know. I'm just scared because I'm nervous. I'm sorry, I'm from Ohio. I've never, like... I don't haven't had anything to drink, that's why I'm freaking out.
Okay, I'll tell you what. If you could please walk around this entrance right way and just wait right there by that, right underneath that light right there.
Pull around?
No, not pull up. I need you to walk up. So see right where that first parking spot is? Just go stand right there. I'm going to pull my car and I'll be right with you. And then back.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024, 1025, 1026, 1027, 1028, 1029, 1030.
Stop. Okay. Unfortunately, I need you to place your hands behind your back for me, please.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding, man.
What did I?
Well, unfortunately, I do feel that you are too impaired to be driving tonight, okay? Even though you said you've had absolutely nothing to drink tonight, and even though your breath definitely smells like alcohol, and you're showing me indicators of alcohol impairment,
What did I
walk over to my car. Well, you had too much to drink before you were driving tonight,
No, I
right?
didn't have.
Okay, well, it is what it is. Listen, so right here. All right, so just so you understand, in the state of Florida, when you get arrested for DUI, you are required by law to provide a breath test. When we go down to the jail, do you want to take a breath test? Do you want to take a breath test? Yes or no? It's up to you.
It's okay.
Okay. 677. Do you have a female 46, please? For 43, I'm 10-15-201.
Can I just have somebody drive my car back home, please?
No, unfortunately, I can't do that. I do have a female officer that's going to come and search you, but before she does, are you in possession of anything? I don't suspect, but I have to ask. Any weapons, guns, drugs, knives, needles, or anything?
Nothing.
Okay. Nothing that would be yours? Does that mean you have something and you're not going to claim ownership, or does that mean you don't have it? You don't know if there's something in your pockets that belongs to you?
Nothing. No, I'm not.
Right.
No.
Do you have anything that belongs to you that is
On
on
my
you?
person? No, not.
Okay. Anything in the car that we're going to find? You sure about that? Okay, because you don't seem very sure about that. Okay, well.
I've never been pulled over before. I'm not even.
Okay, well listen, you made a simple mistake and you drove the wrong way. That's why I'm stopping you. And then while talking to you, I realized that it was probably more than just a simple mistake, because I can tell that you are slightly impaired. Okay? So for that reason, especially since you're telling me you had nothing to drink, and that's
I had literally
it's quite
one
obvious.
drink from my friend's
But listen,
birthday.
it's quite obvious that you have been drinking, okay? So that's why we do the sobriety exercises, and I can tell you shouldn't be driving tonight, okay? So we're going to wait for female officers. She should be here in a second. I want to grab your stuff out of the car to make sure it comes with you. So if you have a cell phone, a wallet, keys, or cash or credit cards or something, I'll bring that with you so that way when you get down there, you'll have access to it, okay? And that way if you needed to bind yourself out or make a phone call or something like that, you'll be able to do it, okay? We'll just sit here and wait for a second for her to show up. I understand, but I can't do that at the moment. I have to wait for the officer to search you first. Once somebody's in custody, it's just the way we do it. You've been nothing but respectful and kind, and I don't have any problems with that. Nothing personal. I just have to make sure that people are safe driving.
Really sad because now I'm probably going to lose my job.
I'm not allowed to uncuff. Once somebody's under arrest, they have to be handcuffed. Unfortunately, it's part of the process.
So I don't know. So what do I have to do to get out of this situation?
Okay. Unfortunately, all people arrested with a DUI charge is a minimum of 8 hours in jail. That 8 hours starts right about now. So you're looking at about 9:45-ish in the morning when you're able to get out. The reason why it's a sobriety period, so that's the same with everybody. Doesn't matter how high or drunk or even sober you are. If you're arrested and charged with DUI, it's 8 hours. When we get down there, there's a certain process that we go through. I'll walk you through the whole thing. I'll be with you probably for about the next hour or so. I'll walk you through the whole process. I'll answer whatever question you got. I don't have a problem answering whatever questions. I'm not an attorney, so I can't give legal advice, but I can answer whatever question you got about the process of being arrested. When we get down there, we'll walk you through it, we'll get you through this, and then you'll be on your way out, okay?
Can I ask you a question?
Absolutely. I don't have, like I told you, I don't have a
feel
problem.
like I was not okay with driving?
Several things. First of all, you're driving. Second of all, things that I notice while seeing and speaking to you. And third of all, your performance exercises. I take those three together as a totality to make one decision.
But what performance did the exercises need you feel like I was?
Well, your exercises are just 1/3 of my decision. But of those 3 exercises, only making up 1/3 of the decision, there's a lot of indicators of impairment, a lot of cues of impairment that show me that you should not be driving.
So, what was the other 2/3?
The other 2/3 is your driving.
Okay.
Which is the fact that you're driving the wrong way on the one way.
Yeah,
okay. And the second part of that, the other third would be contact indicators, things that I notice while speaking to you. I can smell alcohol, you got bloodshot eyes, stuff like that.
I have really bad eyes, so I understand.
Okay, well, it is what it is, but that's, you asked me, and that's the answer to the question. I don't want to take any longer. Try to face my car. Do you have anything inside your, I'm not going to go in your bra,
I
but...
have literally nothing in my pockets.
Hold on, that's not what I'm asking. I'm not going to search your bra, but I have to ask. Sometimes women keep things inside the bra. Do you have anything inside there?
No. Bra has no connection. No.
677. Actually, you can cancel my female officer. I'm gonna be 10-4. All right, go ahead, have a seat. All right. For 1 second, let me put the seatbelt on. That's okay. No, I got it. I'm 6'4". I've been back here many times. I get it. All right. If you sit like that, you're going to lean on your hands and hurt yourself.
No, I don't know how to say this.
10-4. Give me 1 second. I'm securing her in the vehicle. All right. If you turn around and face the door, that way you won't lean on your hands. It'll probably be easier, and you won't put any pressure on yourself. Okay?
Thank you.
No problem. Give me 1 second.
All right, so what happened tonight, sir?
I don't know. All I know is I went in the ditch and I don't have no clue on the
Okay.
freezing.
What happened before you went into the ditch?
No, I wasn't driving.
Okay, I didn't ask that. I asked what happened before you went into the ditch.
I don't know.
Were you, so you were sleeping, or?
I have no idea.
Okay. I mean, it's pretty clear that you've been drinking. You appear very intoxicated right now. So were you like passed out or something? Or?
I know. That's why I wasn't driving. I know for a fact I wasn't driving.
I gotcha. But were you, so you were sleeping, or you just weren't paying attention, or what?
No, I wasn't driving. I have no idea.
No, but so how do you not know what happened before you got into the crash?
I don't know. I don't even know what happened in the crash, to be honest with you.
Okay. Do you know where you're at right now?
Yeah.
Where are you at?
131.
131 where? Roughly. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
All right, who was driving?
I'm cold.
I'm out here with you. Who was driving?
I have no idea.
Whose car is this?
That's the county's car.
County's car? Okay.
Yeah.
So, and then...
I'm responsible for it.
I gotcha.
Absolutely, I'm responsible.
I gotcha. So you don't know who's driving the county car that you're riding passenger in?
To be honest with you, I'm bad, but no, I don't.
Okay.
It wasn't me.
Okay. Who was it?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I'll be honest with you.
Okay. Yes. So with there being no one else on scene,
Yeah.
me at this point, I'm thinking that you were the driver of the vehicle. Would you mind doing some SFSTs for me?
No, I won't.
You won't
I
do?
wasn't there.
Okay. You don't want to do any SFSTs?
No.
Okay. Will you take a PBT?
No.
Okay. I'm assuming you know about your PBT rights and everything. Okay.
I won't do it.
Okay. All right. So.
But,
All right. So at this point.
did they find anybody down there?
Nope. They didn't find anyone down there.
No, I won't take a PBT.
Okay. So no PBT, no SFSTs.
No.
Okay. So I'm gonna need you to go ahead and turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Seriously?
Yep. Yes, sir. And just like you did for my partner, palms together, like palms together, fingers intertwined, palms together, like you're praying. I'm just going to lock these handcuffs. No, we'll put you riding shotgun. But I'm just going to lock these handcuffs for you so they don't pinch you at all. If you wouldn't mind leaning forward just a little bit so I can get to the lock. Thank you. That one and... Yeah, no. All right.
Appreciate you. Just stand right here for me. Stand with your feet together, Hands out your side just like this. I'll look at your eyes really quick. Don't move your head, just follow your eyes, alright? Have you been drinking at all?
We both had a couple drinks here. Yes,
Let me see your eyes real quick.
Go ahead.
Alright, you're free to leave. I wouldn't recommend you drive though, okay?
Yes, sir.
Because if you get in your car, I'm going to arrest you for DUI. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
So good. If you want to get on your phone and go ahead and start calling somebody, go right ahead, alright?
I can do that.
Ma'am, right now I'm going to conduct a DUI investigation to determine if you're impaired to the point your normal faculties are being affected. Do you understand that? Alright? The reason behind that, you're in active physical control of a motor vehicle, alright? Alright, even though you weren't driving, you're sitting in the parking lot, you're behind the driver's seat, your vehicle's on, it's running. You're going to drive after you had sex with this young gentleman, okay? You understand? Get where it's coming from? Okay. All right. In order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to perform as a series of tasks. Those tasks are to determine if you're impaired or not impaired. Okay? Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. Before I do that, what I'm going to do is actually let's walk over here. You have your shoes?
In my phone.
Go ahead and grab your shoes. And let's be real. After y'all did everything y'all needed to do, y'all were going to drive away. Yeah. Keep your eyes on it. You're okay. You're okay. Ready? Good. Put your hands back down your side. You're fine. Good. Get back to position. Hands down your side. Hands down your side. There you go.
I'm sorry. I'm just like distraught.
16 steps. Just continue how as I instructed you. 17, 18, 18 steps. 19, 20, 21, 22. Do you remember how many steps I told you?
You said 9.
Okay. How many steps have you taken?
I've taken 2.
You've only taken 2 steps so far?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Hold on. Let's come back over here. Let's go back down the line again. Remember how I told you to turn and all that stuff? Go ahead and stop there and turn around for me. And then continue.
Sorry, I'm just nervous. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000.
Right hand. Continue as I instructed. Left nostril. Left nostril. Remember what I said? Up, in, out, down, okay? Go ahead, get back in position for me. No, put your hand back down. Put your hands to your side. There you go. Perfect. Left hand. Under the nose. Left hand. Side finger. Right hand. Side finger bridge.
E, F, G,
Okay. Once you get to 30 seconds, what I want you to do is I want you to open your eyes and tell me to stop. Okay? That way I know you're done. Okay? I don't want to assume that you're done. Okay? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, good. Place your hands by your side, tilt your head back, close your eyes. Good, and begin. Okay? And how long was that?
I was like 55 or a minute.
Okay. And what was my instructions?
A minute.
Okay. How did you count that?
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1,000,
Okay.
1,000.
How much have you had to drink today?
I had 2 drinks here.
What 2 drinks?
I had Captain Coke.
Captain and Coke. Were they singles, doubles?
Singles.
Okay. Were they talls, shorts?
They were talls.
Okay. So single talls. Captain and Coke. 2 of them. What time did you start drinking?
Around 10:30.
Okay. And what time did you end drinking?
11:30.
11:30. What time do you think it is currently?
Around 1:30.
You think it's about 1:30 right now? Okay. On a scale from 0 to 10, with 0 being completely sober and 10 being fall down drunk, how would you rate yourself currently?
I would rate myself around 3.
A 3? Why would you say a 3?
I would say 3 because I feel fine.
Okay. Do you feel impaired at all?
No.
Do you feel buzzed?
No.
No. Okay. And is that your vehicle, the Mustang?
Yes.
All right. And just to confirm, what was going on when I first arrived?
It was the first time that I met him, and I was just I liked him, and I was attracted to him, so I wanted to, be attracted to him.
Okay.
But
Is that why your pants were off and his pants were off?
yeah,
Okay. And after you all finished that, what were you going to do?
absolutely nothing. I was gonna go home.
You're going to go home, and where's home?
On Alafaya.
Alafaya? Okay. Alrighty. Let's walk over this way for me. Do you have any tattoos that I need to know of?
I do.
Where?
I have a couple.
Where?
I have a little one here
Okay.
on my arm,
Okay.
on my hip,
Okay.
on this hip, one on my leg,
Okay. Where at on your leg?
on my ankle.
Okay. Just gonna take a quick picture of you, okay?
Why?
Just look at me real quick. There you go. And then your tattoos.
Why?
What's that?
Why?
Because that's what my sergeant requires.
Why?
What? Why?
Yeah.
I have no idea. You can ask him that. I have no idea.
Why does he want?
What's that?
Why does
Well, right now you're going to be placed under arrest for DUI. Go ahead, turn around for me. Place your hands behind your back. Actually, before I put this one here, let me take this off and put it in your... Here, hold on a second. I'm going to take your watch off and put it in your... actually, take your watch off for me. Again, turn around. Place your hands behind.
Can I ask what I'm being put on arrest for?
For DUI.
For what?
For DUI.
What did I do?
I just told you. Go ahead, turn around.
Can
Ma'am,
you tell
listen.
me again?
Yeah, you're under the influence of alcohol to the point your normal
But why
faculties are
did
being
you pull
affected.
me over?
First of all, if you don't turn around, you're gonna get charged.
But why
Listen.
did you pull me over? I'm just wondering.
Because you're having sex in a parking lot.
Why did
I just
you pull
told
me
you.
over?
That. I just told you. Because you're having sex in a parking
Okay.
lot.
Why are you guys here?
I just told you. Turn around.
Why?
Turn around. I'm not going to play with you. This isn't how it goes. We're not doing roadside. And I told you multiple times already. You don't have sex in a parking lot, okay?
But why were you guys called?
Nobody called. I was doing my job and patrolling.
But why
the
were you
neighborhood.
guys called?
Nobody was called.
So why did you guys come?
Because it's my job to patrol.
But why did you guys come?
Stop.
But why did you guys come?
Hold on.
You didn't come for a reason.
Stop. Stop.
If you're saying you didn't come for a reason, why are you putting me under arrest?
You're about to go on the ground. Okay?
Why
Listen,
did you put me under arrest?
ma'am,
Tell me.
You're going to go to the ground if you
That's
don't cooperate.
fair. That's fair.
You want me to put
why?
you on the ground? I do not want to use force against you.
Explain.
I already explained.
Explain.
I've already explained. I don't want to use force
Why
against
did you pull me over?
But we're going to have to if you do not put your hands behind your back and let me handcuff you.
Please explain why you are putting me under arrest.
Because you're
Put
drunk.
it into simple terms.
You're drunk.
Okay,
It's simple terms.
why are you putting me under arrest?
Because you can't be drunk.
Why is the
and operate
original
in a car.
term? Why is the original term? But there's no...
Yep.
Now you're additionally being charged with resisting an officer without bond. Step up, please. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I think the other deputy is going to give you a ride, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you can't get in anywhere.
I mean, no one's, at this time, no one's...
Yeah, I understand that.
I did have a friend that left like 45 minutes ago, so... Is your camera on?
Yeah. Yeah. So she's being placed under arrest for DUI and resisting an officer without violence. In case you were wondering.
Oh, without violence?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's all because she had the keys in the car?
Well, yeah, I mean, she's an active physical control of the vehicle. And like I said before, let's be real, she's hammered drunk right now. If she drove...
Well, the reason why we hung out longer was two things. One, because we're going to pass some time by, and two, because, you know, we're with each other.
I get that.
Yeah.
But still, she's way too intoxicated.
Okay. She's out there with.
And that's why the law states inactive physical control of vehicle, because if she drove from here and crashed, you know, after I came in contact with you guys, like, come on now. Obviously, I would be losing my job. Yeah.
I understand. Take for her. So she's basically going to be in jail overnight?
No. They don't do it overnight. She'll have a bond. It's going to be a $500 bond.
Okay.
So, she'll have a bond.
You can pick her up in the next, what?
That one I don't know about the time frame.
Depends on how busy the jail is.
Okay.
Depends on how busy the jail is, how her attitude is, things like that. If she treats jail staff like she was treating us, then she'll probably be there all night.
Yes, sir.
$14.
14?
Yeah. I normally would put it in her property or on her person, but I'm not.
Does she have her phone or you have her phone?
I'm gonna have her phone.
Can you put my number in there?
How about you write it down on a piece of paper and I'll put it.
Here.
Hey, ma'am, I'm gonna get you those shoes that you're wearing because those are his, and I have these for you. Hear me? Let me grab his shoes. Thank you.
I got it.
Another one. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you.
Is that change?
Do you have a picture of him for me?
Is there any way I can get her number? I mean, there's no way you could reach her, right? There's not going to be any way to reach her.
No. Just move over here for me real quick. I just got to take a picture of the car real quick.
That light is on, boss.
Will you make sure she gets my number?
Yep, it's in our property. Alright, I'll be on my way.
You don't mind if I personally tell her?
Now, with her attitude right now, no. He said to call him if you need to be bailed out. I have his number for you. It's in your purse. I'll make sure you have it at the jail. Good? Alright. She said okay. 3412. 1051 and 1041 copy started.
Where'd you come out of?
What?
Where'd you come out of?
I just came from down the shore.
Where are you headed?
Home.
Where's home?
Union.
Union?
Yeah.
Where down the shore? Where'd you come from?
Neptune. I work in Neptune.
Where you work?
The Waverly at Neptune.
How much did we drink?
Just a little bit. Just like 2 beers.
You had more than that.
No.
Well, you're not even close to Union. And how did you get here? What town are you in right now?
What do you mean?
Where are you right now?
Kenilworth.
Okay, so how'd you get to Kenilworth?
I took the Parkway.
The Parkway? You came from this way though.
Yeah, I took the Parkway off. I took the Parkway and I took off of the Parkway into Kenilworth. and I was gonna go onto
Grab, she hit a parked car
22.
across.
Alright, receive. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do right now, okay?
Yeah.
I can smell the alcohol. You hit a parked car
Okay.
all the way over there,
Okay.
and you were trying to run.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you through a couple field sobriety tests,
Okay.
because I think you are
That parked vehicle is going to be Fox 7.
more than 2 beers, right?
Alpha. Fox 7.
I took like 3.
Alpha.
Now it's 3. Let's just, honesty's gonna
I'm
work
gonna
with
be
you.
honest with you. I took a few beers.
A few?
Yeah.
What's a few?
I have no
Alright,
idea.
let me figure, just lean up against your car for me, okay? You see your tire, right?
Yeah.
Did you know you hit that car on Cross Street? Why'd you run? Because you've been drinking? You didn't run. You hit the car all the way over there. And you ended up over here.
I was just trying to like
Go home?
over.
You're trying to go home?
I was just trying to pull over.
Because you know you had a little bit too much to drink?
Just a little bit.
Okay. What's your name?
Gabby.
Okay, I'm Travis, okay? This is what we're gonna do. I have 3 different tests I have to run on you, okay, for field sobriety. First one is called horizontal gaze nystagmus. I'm checking the involuntary jerking of your eyes. Count out loud for me. Go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 5.
I need to complete the test. Stop counting. Go ahead and begin.
1, 1,000. I can't.
Keep going.
1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
Keep going. Keep stopping for balance.
16,000.
Arms down to your side. All right. Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Turn around. Put your hand 20 back. You were under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay? 5-3. I'm gonna need a tow. 1 under 450.
3.
Stay right there for a second, okay?
Trav, I'll swing back around.
Have a seat.
Only one car was damaged.
Get in. There we go. I'll crack the window for you so you get some air.
Okay.
Sit back. Sit back. Look up. And just put your seatbelt on, okay?
Okay. Hello.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm also the home of New Mexico State Police. You understand the reason I'm stopping you?
Yes, I did not stop for the stop sign.
Okay, what about the speed?
I was speeding a little bit. I am following
A little
him.
bit?
He's my entrance to the cottages, so I was just trying to keep up. I'm so sorry.
Okay, and actually, that vehicle
Yeah.
that was, you're following right behind?
Yeah.
Less than like a car length.
It's a car lane?
I said a car length, so you're
Oh.
following too closely.
Okay. Yeah, I was
So,
trying not to get
there's
through
the
because once you
speed,
get through the cottages,
Which
I
he actually got up to 110, you're at like 106.
got you.
Okay, and
Yeah.
then you're also following too closely.
I am. I'm so sorry.
And then I was actually gonna pull him over, and then you decided to blow the stop sign.
Got you.
Cool.
Yeah.
You go hold on to that.
Yes,
You want to step
sir.
on out, please?
Okay. Yeah.
Here, the extra. Got you. Okay, Miss. How much have you had to drink?
I drank at Gecko's at like 10. That was about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much?
I had a beer and then I had a shot of tequila.
So 1 beer, 1 shot of tequila.
Yes, sir.
And that was at what time?
About 10?
About 10? So
Yeah.
it's been a while.
It's been a bit.
Okay.
Yeah. I just got there. They didn't like the party, so now we're going to the cottages where Nick lives. So I was following him, make sure I got through the gate. Yeah.
Got you. I got you. Have you had any recent head injuries?
No.
Do you wear eye contacts?
No.
Do me a favor, put your feet together all the way together, hands directly at your side. I'm going to need you to remain in that position there. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Miss Myers, you need to stare at my finger, okay?
Okay.
542. Come on, 10-4. So I can tell when you're looking at it, and I can tell when you're looking past it, okay?
Okay.
So, we're on the same page?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So my finger?
Okay.
Continue where I left off, okay?
Got it. Is my head good?
Yes,
Sorry.
ma'am.
Okay, cool.
Stare directly at my finger, please. Up for now, okay, ma'am? Follow my finger, please. And go and begin, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes,
Are we
ma'am.
good?
Go
Okay.
ahead and begin.
1, 2, 3. Oh shit, sorry. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Front foot planted.
On you, ma'am. Go and begin.
This good? 1001, 1002, 3, 1004, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 2012.
Okay, do you feel like you should be driving right now, Miss?
Not specifically, but I am close to my destination.
Why shouldn't you should be driving right now?
I did have a drink earlier, so I don't know how much that impaired me, to be honest with you. I'm not
Do you
too
feel
sure
like
about
you're
my
impaired?
AC. No, not too bad, but I know that I do feel a little bit something.
Okay, you feel a little bit something?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't feel like you should be driving. I really
feel
don't.
you.
Okay.
I feel you, yeah.
So I'm gonna have you walk to the front of my uniform, please.
Okay.
Just walk straight to the front bumper, please.
Sure thing.
Go and face the front of my patrol unit. Put your hands behind your back, Miss Myers. Do not move, okay?
Can I call my dad? He's with BCU.
BCU, what does that mean?
Bernalillo County.
Like SO?
Yeah, BCU.
Okay. Time is 12:47, okay?
Okay.
You're being arrested for DWI at this time.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you open your mouth for me, please. Stick your tongue out. Lift it up to the sky. Do you have anything in your mouth that you can eat, drink, or smoke? Anything on your person that you can eat, drink, or smoke?
No.
So I'm gonna need you to call for a ride.
Call for a ride?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
May I see her cell phone, please? And then her wallet, please. And her wallet, please?
My wallet? I didn't bring my wallet.
Her wallet.
It's in the other car.
Her wallet.
I haven't. Oh.
Thank you, ma'am. How old are you?
I'm 19.
You're 19?
Yes.
Okay, are you gonna be able to get a ride? Someone come pick you
I
up?
have to call. I have no idea.
Yeah, just call somebody to come pick you up, okay?
Okay. I will.
We're right here on Sunport, just by the airport, okay?
Okay.
What happens with me? What happens with me? What happens with me? Okay. When does my dad come? When does my dad come?
Well, I'll let you get within a phone call here in a bit once we're done with all the necessary paperwork.
Yeah.
Breakfast? One, two, three, go ahead. Keep going. Stop. One more just like that, we'll let you know.
One more.
Yeah, one more. Go. You stop. Go. Stop. So Ms. Myers, your first one was 0.11 grams of alcohol per 210 liters of breath. And the second one was 0.10, so that is above the per se limit of 0.08. Okay?
Why did it say 0.11? I thought I saw 0.08 or 0.78.
That was a calibration check. So it runs a calibration check to make sure the gas canister, you see that blue thing?
Yeah.
That's the gas cylinder.
Okay.
So it's a lot of science that goes into this. But the calibration check has to be within the 070 and 090. So within that time frame, when it does a calibration check to make sure the stuff inside the blue bottle is working properly, has to be between those two numbers, okay? So the calibration was within those numbers, but the breath score itself is 0.11 and 0.10. So you are above the per se limit of 0.8, okay? So it is a DWI first offense. Do you have any questions for me? But I think, I know if it was my father, he would probably want to hear from me personally before somebody from a different agency. I think you could respect that, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you, get your hands from uncuffed. You've been nothing but respectful, and I appreciate that. That's why we're going to be cool people, okay? Do you have any questions on what's going on? I know it's a crappy situation. It really is. Okay?
How much trouble am I in? Is it going to affect going to medical school?
If I say yes, it could be a lie. If I say no, it could be a lie. I know it's a tough field to get into. We can all respect that. We all know that. But it's not on your record as of right now. It's just basically you're getting charged with it. You still have to be found guilty of it. And that's later down the road. Yes, ma'am.
So how does that work?
So it's going to happen approximately, 180 days from now. We'll meet up again here at the courthouse. You'll get your attorney. I'll have to be there, and we'll have to go through the motions of what's going to happen with this. And it's ultimately going to be in the judge's hand what's going to happen. Okay? So, go and stand up. Do you have to use the restroom, ma'am? No? Okay, going to come over here. Go and turn around.
Do I have to get bail or something?
What was that?
Do I have to post bail? Is that a thing? Bail? How do I
So, right now you're going to go in front of a judge. They work around the clock here. What's going to happen is you're going to be probably released on your own recognizance since this is your first offense, okay? So what that means is you're just going to have to promise the judge that you're actually going to show up to the court and not...
miss it?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I see that you have the nose piercing ears. I need those removed, the ones that can, because they're not allowed to have that at the jail, okay? Any other piercings I cannot see, I'll give you the opportunity to go to the restroom, remove them, and then just bring them out with you.
I have to go to jail for the night? How do I get out?
So right now it's already 1:30 in the morning, so you're going to have to go in front of the judge, most likely by tomorrow afternoon, by about 1 o'clock. You'll be released on your own recognizance.
What if I work at 12?
Maybe you could get that process a little bit faster, depending on how busy it is over there, but I recommend it's going to be about 12 hours, roughly. Okay?
So what do I do?
So I'm going to...
Costco? How do I...
So,
work at Costco? So
right.
how am I supposed to tell them?
So, it's very difficult, I understand.
Yeah.
You can call your dad, call your mom, whoever you need to call, let them maybe call in. But it's kind of one of those things. I don't know if Costco will answer right now. I don't think they will either. But I would imagine you're not going to get out until tomorrow afternoon. Yeah, because it's already 1:30 in the morning right now. Cool? So, I'm going to have you remove all your piercings first. And then I'll give you an opportunity to make a phone call, okay? Come over here. Okay. No, that's fine. Just want to make sure you get an opportunity. You can go to the restroom if you need to. You get into the belt. Just double check your pockets. Make sure you don't have anything else, okay? I'm going to put you in the holding cell here.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Just going to have a seat. You right-handed or left-handed?
Left.
Okay, going to have a seat. Let me see. Yeah, you're right-handed. Sorry. Sit tight, I'll be right back, okay? Now, move your elbow a little bit. Turn up, please. Go ahead and turn around, put your hands behind your back. Lift them up. Go walk out, please. And go left. Another left. Back.
Hello. It's been audio and video recorded. Do you have your license, registration, insurance?
I have my license on my phone, if that's okay.
You have your license on your phone?
No, sorry, no, my registration.
Hey, what's in your hand right there? Vape, all right. How old's everybody in the car?
I'm 20. She's 21.
Okay. The reason I'm asking is I can smell the odor of alcohol.
Yeah, I'm kind of the designated driver.
You're kind of, or you are?
I am.
Okay. Have you had any alcohol to drink?
I just had a half a beer.
Okay. And how long ago was that?
Like an hour ago.
Okay. How about driver's license? Do you have that?
Yeah. Get that out for you.
Okay. And then you said your registration. You have a picture of that on your phone.
Yeah.
You don't have one in your glove box?
I don't. I just came back from the west side and I didn't print it out.
Didn't print it out. Your registration's for your license plates, not your insurance.
Yeah. Wait, the registration's in here. And then...
There you go. All right, keep looking for your insurance. I'll be right back with you.
Okay, thank you.
Find your insurance?
Yep, it's right here.
Okay, perfect. Do me a favor. Hop out and come back here for me.
Is there a reason I got pulled over?
Yep, the reason I stopped you when you came down Monroe Street and you turned on to Stadium Way, you can't cut all the way across the lanes. All right?
Okay.
Stand right there for me. Okay. Nope, turn around and face me. Okay, so here's the deal, okay? I can smell a really strong odor of alcohol coming from the car, okay? I can smell it coming from your breath. That's why I asked how much you had to drink.
Okay.
You had a half a beer?
Yeah.
That's all you had to drink?
That's all I had to drink. At 8 o'clock, I had a glass of wine.
Okay, at 8 o'clock. What time do you think it is right now?
It is 12:30.
12:30. Okay, so here's the deal. I want to make sure that you're okay to drive.
Okay.
Okay, so I'd like you to do some voluntary field sobriety tests to make sure you're okay.
Yeah.
Any problem with that?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to have you do, see right where my flashlight's at, go ahead and stand there, turn around and face me. Face me. Don't move your head, just follow with your eyes. Keep following with your eyes. All right, begin.
1, 2,
Out tested.
3, 4, 5. I make a little turn, right?
Just like I explained. What are you supposed to do?
I look back at you.
Okay. Go ahead and come back over here. Stand just like you were. Turn around, face me. Begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006.
Look at your foot.
1007, 1008, 1009.
Point your toe forward so it's parallel. All right, put your foot down. Okay. How long ago was your beer?
I'd say about, what time is it now?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? I drank it at 9.
At 9. Okay. What this is a voluntary portable breath test. This tells me how much alcohol you've had to drink. This test is not in lieu of the evidentiary breath test, which means it can't be used in court or anything like that.
So you said I don't have to take it?
Nope, it's a voluntary test.
What happens if I were not to voluntarily take it?
So I'm going to base my decision on what I've seen so far and go from there. Here's the, you had more to drink than you're telling me.
I had maybe a White Claw more.
Okay. I think you've had more than that.
I voluntarily choose not to.
Okay, so right now you're under arrest.
Actually, I'll take the breath test.
You want to take this? Okay, you understand it's voluntary, you don't have to take it.
I won't take it. But
Okay.
what happens if I just want to know what my options are.
So you're under the age of 21, okay, which means you can't have alcohol above a .02.
02?
Mm-hmm.
So, what would happen if I were, let's say, to take a breathalyzer and I was a bit over that?
Well, you can't be over that.
And what happens if I were not to take the test?
Then I'm going to base my decision on what I've seen so far. As I told you, you're under arrest.
So I have to spend the night in jail?
Well, that's later to be determined.
What would happen if I were to get under arrest?
Well, it's an arrestable offense. Okay.
Would it go on my permanent record?
It can, yeah. That doesn't mean you're convicted of it.
How much would the fees be?
I don't know what the fines are. That's up to the courts. Bottom line is this, okay? You had more to drink than you're telling me, okay? I've been doing this for 22 years, okay? I know you've had more than a White Claw and a beer, okay? I can smell it coming from your breath, looking at your eyes. It's obvious that you've had more to drink than you're telling me, okay? Honesty goes a long ways with me, okay? And you're not being completely honest with me. I understand that you're young. I get that. But that's where we're at.
This is going to ruin my life.
How much did you have to drink?
I had a White Claw and a glass of wine and a beer.
At what time?
I had the wine at 9 o'clock at my apartment. We came over here, and then I had a beer and a White Claw. And I'm a lightweight.
When was the last time? When did you drink your White Claw?
I would say at about 11.
Okay. Okay, so that's where we're at, okay? So right now you are under arrest, okay? You're under arrest for being under
Just take the breathalyzer.
No, we're past that. Put your hands behind your back for me, okay? So right now you have the right to remain silent. You have the right to an attorney. Do you understand that?
Yep.
Okay. You are being audio and video recorded, okay? Is there anybody in the car that hasn't been drinking? All right, we're just going to go to the front of my car right here. Just to the front. We're going to stand right in the front. Okay, listen up, okay? So you're under arrest for minor operating a motor vehicle. Any questions?
Wait, what happens if you can't afford an attorney?
You can have one appointed at no cost.
Appointed at no cost? How do I do that?
So if you want to talk to an attorney when we get to the police station, you can call and talk to an attorney and get some legal advice, okay?
Okay.
Okay? So, like you said, you wanted to take the portable breath test? You can take it now if you want to, but... Okay, perfect. So, nobody in the car is 21, right?
Actually, if 2 of them are.
2 of them are, but they've all been drinking.
Yeah, I'm the most sober out of all of them.
You're the most sober. Okay. So, she's going to search you and make sure you don't have any contraband on you. Do you have anything in your pocket you're not supposed to have?
Nope.
Okay. So, she's going to search you. And then you're going to have a seat in my car. And then, so your car... Do you want me to park it in the parking lot? I don't want to tow it. I don't want to tow your car, okay?
Yeah.
So I can move it over there and then they can walk.
Is it like a thing where I could just spend the night at the station and just walk home in the morning?
We'll get to all that in a little bit. So she's going to search you. So here's the deal. She's under arrest. She's had too much drink. She can't be driving, okay? She's now 21. Huh? Yes.
So how do we get her out?
Well, does she have a cell phone?
Yeah.
All right, grab her cell phone and I'll take it with me.
Okay.
Does she have a wallet?
I don't know if she got it because she did that, like, we were going to be, like, out tonight.
Okay. Annabelle, do you have a wallet in here?
It's not in here.
Okay, just your license. I have your phone. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move the car because I don't want to tow the car, okay? So I'm going to move the car to the parking lot there. You guys can either walk, call Uber or something, okay? But don't make a dumb mistake and drive.
If we get a ride there, can we get her out tonight?
So I work for the sheriff's office, which is in Colfax. Okay, she's going to go to the Pullman Police Department. She'll have an opportunity to take the breath test there. Okay, and then I'll decide what happens from there, okay?
So, but can you call...
You got pulled over when she turned off Monroe Street on a Stadium Way. She cut across all the lanes of traffic.
She has to wear her glasses when she's driving because she really can't see in the dark.
Okay.
And I don't think she has them on.
Okay.
So that's probably a major thing. Like,
Okay.
That's someone who's been in car for a long.
So I'm going to move the car. You want me to move your car, right? Yes? Okay. I don't know if I fit in this little car.
Also, can you call me to figure out?
She'll have her phone, so she'll be able to call.
She'll be able to call me?
Oh my gosh.
You can take her glasses too. Maybe that'll help when she's there.
Sorry about this. It's all right. Holy cow, this car is tiny.
How do I tell her to call us?
She's going to call you.
She will. She'll have her phone.
Us?
She'll have her phone.
I want to make sure she calls us though, not like...
Well, she's in her phone. She's going to call you.
I know, but like, she has to know to think to call us. Like, I was
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the keys,
Okay.
but I'll leave it unlocked, and then just make sure you guys lock it. So are you guys going to call for an Uber, or?
Yeah.
We have a friend coming.
Okay, has your friend been drinking? Okay, so, so do that, and then you guys can hang out here, and then she has her phone, so she has your phone numbers. Okay? All right, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't get out now. Oh. You guys can stay in the car. Stay in here where it's warm, okay?
Can you take her glasses with you so she can see?
Does she normally wear them all the time?
Yeah, she does.
How could she see out of them?
They're really tiny.
Holy cow. Okay. Stay in the car, you guys. It's warm. Just call your ride in.
We got a ride coming.
Okay.
We already called it.
Okay, then lock the car, okay?
Yeah, all right. Thank you very much.
Can I pet her?
No, you can't.
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going tonight?
Good, how are you?
Good. Reason I'm stopping, you're going the wrong way down White Street.
I know, I figured that out. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Do you have your license registration proof insurance? Where are you heading to tonight?
Back to our dorm.
Oh, okay. Where are you coming from?
I was DDing for people, so I'm just taking it.
You haven't had anything at all to drink?
I have not.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure my license is expired because I haven't been home from college yet, so I haven't got my new one. Are you okay with my expired one?
What?
My expired insurance.
Yeah, you can just take that piece of gum out for now, okay? Expired registration or expired insurance?
I have no idea. I moved in August, so I haven't been home yet.
Okay. Your license isn't expired yet.
No, but my registration expired in September,
Oh,
I
okay.
believe.
Did your parents pay it? You just haven't put the sticker on?
They have. I haven't been home from college yet because I have sports.
Okay. So you're saying you haven't had a single drop of alcohol this fine evening?
I have not.
You have not had a single drop? Do you have you don't have a more current one?
I haven't been home, so I haven't gotten one.
Okay. I'll take that. Just hang tight, I'll be right back with
Yeah,
you.
I got you. Thank you.
Do you have a jacket or anything in your car?
I do not.
Okay. Alright, just hang tight. I'll have you step out here for a second. Do you have anything in your pockets at all?
Just money. Let me take it out.
Yeah, you can just throw it in the car, that's fine. Okay, we'll walk right over here. So, what I want to do is I want to run you through what are called standardized field sobriety tests. We can either do it out here, or I can drive you a block.
We can just do it out here. It's okay.
You're not going to get too cold or anything like
No,
that?
I'm golden.
Okay. Alright, we're going to walk right up there so we're not standing in the rain then. I'll have you go up this nice officer. I'm going to get my car set up. Alright. So, how old are you?
I'm a freshman in college. I'm 18.
Okay. Alright. So you weren't in the bar or anything like that?
I just picked people up. I walked in for maybe 2 minutes to grab my group of people I was picking up, and that was it.
How'd you get in?
I told them I was DDing, and they let me in.
Really?
Yes.
At what time?
Maybe 1:15ish.
Oh, okay. What bar was this?
Gents.
Okay. Yeah, because, I mean, technically that's illegal for them to be letting you in.
Yeah. I just told them I was DDing. I was going to stand outside, but the dude came out. He was like, what are you doing? I was like, I'm DDing for people, so they let me in. And I found my group, and then we're gone.
Okay. And no drinks whatsoever?
No drinks.
Okay. Alright. So I'm just going to run you through standardized field sobriety testing just to make sure that all checks, okay?
I got
like
you.
I said, you're going the wrong way down a one-way
Yeah,
street for a while.
I'm from a super small town, so like I don't know Dubuque perfectly yet.
Your passengers didn't help you out and say, hey, you're going the wrong way.
No, they
Oh,
didn't.
jeez. And then right when I hit the lights, you kind of did some little weird maneuvering of the vehicle. Like you
I was a little
tried to pull over and then you just
no,
jerked
because
around.
I was like on the side of the curb down there, and then I found like this little opening. So.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything else in your mouth? All right. Tongue all the way up to the roof. When's the last time you smoked weed?
I don't even know. I usually don't do it.
Like hours, days?
Probably weeks.
Okay.
So.
All right. What's the natural color of your eyes?
Blue, and the middle part is bright green.
Okay. And are you wearing contacts?
Nope.
Should you be wearing glasses or contacts?
Nope, I have perfect vision.
Perfect. All right. Sure you're not moving your head. Alright, that's the end of that test, okay? Are you on any prescription medications or anything?
Just birth control.
Okay.
And then citrusine, which is allergy medicine.
Okay, none of those say don't drive, don't operate heavy machinery,
Nope,
that sort
they're
of
all
stuff?
good.
Alright. So our next test is called a walk and turn. Are you comfortable in those shoes and pants you're wearing?
Yep, I'm good.
Alright, anything wrong with your legs, hips, or ankles?
Nope.
Alright. Alright, you can go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I just turn or choppy?
Yep, turn as I instructed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, you can turn around normal and face me. You can go ahead and begin.
1001, 1002.
A little bit higher.
1003.
Look at your toe.
1004, 1005.
You said you're a college student?
Yep.
Alright. You from the Midwest?
Yeah, I'm from Wisconsin. It's like, my hometown's 45 minutes from here.
Okay, so you know the body of water right there that separates Iowa from Illinois?
Mississippi River, yeah.
You spell Mississippi for me?
Mississippi.
Alright, and then you'd be able to count from 1 to 100 if I asked you to?
Yep.
You start the number 5454, count to number 6868, so 54 to 68, just those numbers.
54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69.
shouldn't be any on your breath then?
There might be a little bit.
Okay. So you did have some alcohol tonight?
At my dorm, yes.
Okay. I'll let you know when to stop. Alright, you can stop. Are your friends, are they pretty drunk?
I believe so.
Where do you guys go to college?
They go to Loris, I go to UD.
Okay.
I just know them because I'm transferring to Loris that semester.
Oh, I was going to say, you're the only one getting a quality education, but then you say something like that.
No. I had issues with the coach with the sport I do, so like, I'm transferring to Loris because I'm not going to let a coach push me away from the sport that I love, so.
What do you play?
Cross country and track.
Oh, okay.
It's honestly not that bad. I picked up on it because it's kind of like my escape from like my depression and everything.
Oh,
because
yeah.
everything goes away once you start running.
Yeah?
Because you just think about like how much pain you're in,
I was going to say, try
why
not
you're doing
dying.
it.
You are being placed under arrest for OWI, okay?
Do I get anything out of my car?
We can grab anything you'd like out of there. What do you want?
Can I grab my phone?
Yeah, we can grab it, you can't.
Okay.
Alright, just because we don't want you reaching in there and you're going to be in handcuffs. So this nice officer is going to arrange to make sure that they get home safely. You just want your car locked up and turned off, and then we'll bring the keys down.
Yes, please.
Unless, do you trust them to find a sober driver that can come move your car, or do you just want to stay in here?
I'll just stay.
Okay. Alright.
Actually, am I able to call someone if I have like a sober person?
Once we get down there, you can make some calls.
Because if I get a sober driver, am I free to go, or do you want me to stay overnight?
What's that? Sorry.
If I get a sober driver, am I able to go, or do you want me to stay overnight?
Well, I got to talk to my boss about that.
Okay. Yeah.
We're going to go right this way?
First car, second.
First one. You don't have anything in pockets, right? You
Nope.
took your money out, nothing tucked into your bra, anything like that,
Nope.
correct? Okay.
You can feel if you need to, but I don't have anything.
Alright, we're just going to have a female search you as soon as we get down
Yeah,
there.
no, that's okay.
So you want phone for
Phone?
sure out of the car,
Yeah,
and then grab your keys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything else can stay.
Okay. Alrighty. I'll just be right back with you, okay?
Yeah, no, you're good.
So she's OW first. She's a UD student from Darlington.
Okay.
Are you okay with AOR or hold, or what do you think? Alright, you can step up. Hold up here a second. Alright. And then we're gonna walk right towards that silver bench, and I'll just have you face this wall, and then she's just gonna do a search of you quick.
I do not.
I'm going to take the handcuffs off you because we got a little bit of up and down here. You're going to stay cooperative with me, alright? You can have a seat on the bench. Alright, so we got a little bit of paperwork we got to get through here. Alright, step right up over here. Give you that to hold for now. Good. Alright, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're halfway done. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Just about done. Keep going, keep going. There it goes. Did you want to make any phone calls or anything like that?
Yeah.
Absolutely. I don't know yet. My boss is weighing the options like right now. Just a lot of times they wait a little bit to see how you're going to be.
Sure yet, then I don't really
Okay. Is there somebody that can come move your car? Because it is double parked right now. So you have to stay here till you're sober.
I have to stay until I'm sober?
Yeah.
I can call either my roommate or my boyfriend. I'll see who picks up.
Okay, you can pop right up here. We'll give. Do you know numbers off the top of your head, or do we have to get them on
Yeah,
your
they're
phone?
in my contacts.
Okay. So we have to use my phone to call, but we can get them out. Numbers out of your phone.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message.
Try it again.
He's either sleeping or his phone died. He's good at that.
Alright. I'll just grab your phone from you, and then you can have a seat back on the bench if you're done making calls. And I should be good. I'm guessing this is him? Yeah.
Here, I'll put it on speaker.
You can just talk to him. That's fine.
Hey. So I'm at the police station in Dubuque because of a OWI. I mean, they said it's not the most important thing in the world, but my car is double parked. But I have to stay here until I'm sober. I called you like 5 times before, but you were already sleeping, so. Is my car fine?
Yeah, it'll be fine as long as you get it moved pretty quick after you get out of here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. How long are you gonna be awake? I mean, I have to stay here until I'm sober. I was at a 0.14.
They say most people metabolize alcohol at a 0.02 an hour. So you're looking at about 7 hours. If you're an average person.
Yeah, I don't know. I'd say, honestly, once I'm sober, am I able to, like, drive myself? Yeah. Okay. Honestly, just go to bed. I'll be fine. I'll just stay here until I sober up. I don't want to cause you the trouble of everything. I'm positive. I don't want to cause you the trouble of everything. So you go to bed. I have a 10 a.m. So I'll talk to you in the morning.
Alright. What I'll need from you is check marking each of the boxes, signature on that one. Any questions, comments, concerns about tonight? Alright, so pretty much our next step is I'm going to bring you up to the jail floor. They're going to do your mugshot, your fingerprints, and then give you a place to sleep it off. Alright. Yep, you'll get a full shot. So is this completely fake, or is this a real ID that you just have?
It's completely fake. It was hers that she gets in college.
Is this how you actually got into the bar, or did they let you in? Alright, just have to put you back in handcuffs for our walk upstairs. Right there for a second. Alright. First time ever in jail?
Yup.
And last, right?
Hopefully, yeah.
Alright.
Never doing this again.
Ubers are cheap. That's what I tell people.
Yeah, no, the dude I called, he was supposed to pick me up, but I called him like 5 times, never answered.
Oh, okay.
And I thought I was decent enough to drive, but obviously I was not.
Right. And then they're just going to pat you down one more time, so face the wall. Separate your feet. There you go. Howdy. So it's OWI first, hotel sober. Okay.